Hey yo, so I'm Kelvin OS, and today I'm gonna show you a little tutorial on how to turn any picture into a cartoon or cartoon yourself, yeah, in general. So go visit tuneme.com. Yes, when you go there, um, you just click on the plus button to add a picture. So you search for your picture, you add your picture, click open, it will process it. Then you choose a kind of cartoon style you want. So me, I want the one that is actually a cartoon, not like you are painting that look like cartoons. But I want the one that looks like a cartoon itself. So I think this one, yeah, that's it. I want to use that one. That looks beautiful. So what I'm gonna do, and you can pick varieties of styles. So when you click more style, which is changing style. So what I'll do is I'll download this, open Photoshop, and then try to adjust it to fit the old image. So you see how I'll do. You see how I'll do. And please, and when you do yours, you can tag me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, wherever. Tag me at iKelvinOS and I'll respond to see how yours turned out. Yeah. So I'll try to refine it in Photoshop. So let me show you a trick. Whenever a picture doesn't open, I use the Paint app on Windows to make it open. And simply I open the image in Paint and then save it as a JPEG file. And that's simple. And then you drop it back into Photoshop and it will open. I didn't know this till like last year or something. I was blessed. Because whenever I download a web file, if it is a web file, like man, how can I use this? But now I found a solution, and I hope it's gonna help you in any way possible. That would be cool. So I'm trying to refine it. So I'll place the actual image beneath the cartoon one, just to blend it up. Yeah. So let's see. When you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. So I'm actually excited about this. It looks beautiful. Oh, what do you think? It looks cool. Yeah, cool. That's the word. It is cool. I'm trying to position it well.
When I'm up through the night, I can't turn down the noise, tear all the worries out of my mind. About who I'm supposed to be, I start to believe I can't get it right. Remember the days I let slip away, they were simpler times.
So that's it. I'm trying to make it fit into the picture, so I'm just using a brush to make the edges more blending to the actual image. And then maybe I'll change the background of the image itself. So I'm using the levels just to make the skin tone more look alike. Yeah. And I also use the vibrancy to make the dress also look alike. Yeah. And that's what I'm trying to do right now. If you have to exclude the cloth from the skin, so I'm using the levels mask and then the levels mask to layer mask to separate the skin tone from the suit itself. And this shouldn't be a big deal. You could use it as soon as you download it, but with me, I just want to use Photoshop to modify it a little bit to make it more like I just got in this. That's all I want to do. So if you like this tutorial, please do well to like and share, subscribe if you want more tutorials like this. I'll try my best to upload every week. I'm looking at uploading 3 times a week, but all the same, thank God, thank you, bless up.
Child, don't forget who you are. Don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars. You'll be dancing. dancing on